Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting details about the upcoming iPhone 16 and what Apple's new battery technology could mean for you. Stick around to learn about potential improvements in battery life and ease of battery replacement. Apple is rumored to introduce a new battery technology with the iPhone 16 series featuring higher cell density. This upgrade could lead to improved battery life, a feature that's always in high demand among smartphone users. Traditionally, Apple uses extra battery capacity to power new features. With the introduction of Apple Intelligence, expected soon, this trend may continue. So, while battery life might improve, it's likely that the focus will be on supporting more advanced functionalities rather than drastically extending usage times. The iPhone 16 models are expected to feature the 18 chip, potentially offering efficiency gains without sacrificing performance. This aligns with Apple's strategy of optimizing power consumption while enhancing overall device capabilities. Reports suggest Apple might shift from a foil battery case to a more durable metal casing. This change not only improves thermal management, but also simplifies battery replacement. The introduction of electrically induced adhesive debonding technology could make replacing the battery much easier, potentially reducing repair costs and extending the lifespan of iPhones. In response to EU regulations promoting user-friendly battery replacement, Apple's new design aims to exceed durability expectations. This means iPhones could maintain higher performance over longer periods, aligning with sustainability goals and user convenience. As we anticipate the iPhone 16 series, it's clear that Apple is focusing on both innovation and user experience enhancements. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting developments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about Apple's upcoming innovations. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for the latest updates.